In 1999, Longsys was founded. For over 2 decades, we have been committed to the memory industry, establishing multiple R&D centers, packaging and testing facilities, subsidiaries, and offices worldwide to enhance our global presence. Harnessing engineering expertise, Longsys has built an R&D team of over 1,000 professionals, anchored in memory technology innovation and a culture of engineering excellence. To create differentiated advantages, Longsys focuses on core competencies in memory chip design, memory controller design, and packaging and testing capabilities. Collaborating with industry partners, we have developed the TCM and PTM business models. Through PTM, we deliver one-stop memory products and services by combining customized technologies, joint innovation, and high-quality intelligent manufacturing, adopting a foundry model tailored to the memory industry. To meet customers' growing demands for a stable supply of memory resources, our TCM model connects core customers with upstream memory wafer manufacturers. This ensures a more reliable supply through contractual agreements, while offering highly efficient, customized memory solutions. Leveraging our platform advantages, Longsys integrates end-to-end capabilities to transition from traditional sales models to value-added service offerings. With a steadfast focus to independent R&D, we prioritize excellence and innovation, continuously strengthening our capabilities in memory chip design and firmware algorithm development. We have launched multiple high-performance, self-developed controller chips that have been successfully commercialized and widely adopted. In 2023, Longsys completed the acquisitions of Longforce Suzhou and Zilia Technologies, further optimizing our industry chain layout and establishing in-house packaging and testing capabilities.
加盟定位是全球化的半导体存储品牌企业，聚焦芯片设计和存储封测等核心能力。我们在巴西有存储封测工厂，能够服务整个南美市场。我们有 To B 和 To C 的全球化品牌 Forsy 和 Longsys。加盟通过技术、制造、品牌体现价值，为全球的合作伙伴提供优质的创新服务。
By introducing our accumulated expertise in memory technology and industry chain resources to Brazil, we have supported the technological upgrades and capacity expansion of our South American manufacturing and operations center. This strengthens localized services, enabling us to better support overseas customers and international business, while establishing a supply chain system that integrates global markets. From a diverse product portfolio to full-stack customization, we collaborate with industry customers in joint innovation. By offering more flexible and open chip-level services, we address the technical challenges of conventional products and effectively deliver tailored memory solutions for chip, automotive, and enterprise markets. Longsys is committed to supporting global industry applications and high-end consumer markets, serving industry-leading customers with professional memory offerings. We provide memory products to consumers worldwide and earn market trust through our commitment to brand excellence. We uphold our corporate mission and principles, striving to create products and services that exceed expectations and help our customers achieve their business goals. Longsys is continuously exploring new frontiers of memory